Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to apply potassium fertilizer. First, understand that potassium is a vital nutrient, crucial for your plant's overall health, root development, and disease resistance. Before applying, always conduct a soil test to accurately determine your soil's current potassium levels and avoid overfertilization. This step ensures you provide the right amount, preventing waste and potential harm to your plants. There are a few effective ways to apply potassium. For granular forms, broadcasting it evenly across the soil's surface is common. You can then lightly rake it in or water it to help it reach the root zone. For new plantings, incorporating the fertilizer into the top 4 to 6 inches of soil before planting is ideal. Timing is also key. Apply potassium in early spring or late fall when plants are actively growing or preparing for dormancy. Safety should always be your top priority when working with any fertilizer. Always wear protective gloves and eye protection to prevent skin irritation or accidental contact. Be mindful of the environment. Avoid applying fertilizer too close to ponds, streams, or other water bodies to prevent runoff and potential pollution. After application, give your plants a good watering. This helps dissolve the fertilizer and move the nutrients into the soil where roots can absorb them. A common mistake is overfertilization, which can lead to nutrient imbalances and even burn your plants. Always follow recommended application rates based on your soil test results. Also, ensure you distribute the fertilizer evenly to avoid creating hot spots of concentrated nutrients. For a fresh car, check out the Little Trees Black Ice Air Freshener. You can find a link for that, along with other great deals, in the description below. Thanks for watching, and happy gardening!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.